Welcome. Connecting the battery interface box to a Nomada battery. What do we need? 1 battery interface box. 1 sense cable. CAN cables. 2 power cables with ring connectors. Screwdrivers and a torque wrench. Before we begin, remove all jewelry and accessories present. Refer to this scheme to find the right battery interface box for you. Start by removing the top of the battery interface box. Now guide the sense cable through the BT- cap. Twist the loose cables together and connect it to the open slot as shown. Secure it with a small screwdriver. Connect the sense cable to the terminal of your Nomada battery. Tighten the cable to 20 Nm using a torque wrench. Remove the nut and place your power cable on the terminal. Because of the size of our cables, we remove the cap at the BT+ connection. Place your power cable, washer, spring washer and nut on the terminal. Tighten the nut to 20 Nm using a torque wrench. Remember to twist your caps to create a watertight seal. Connect the other power cable to the open terminal. Remove the nut and the cap of the load plus connection. Tighten the cable to 20 Nm using a torque wrench. The other end of the cable will lead to your load. Connect your CAN cable to the J1 slot of the battery interface box. Connect the other end of your CAN cable to the open slot of your Nomada battery. Make sure everything is tightened and sealed properly. Reinstall the top of the battery interface box. Place the included sticker somewhere in the vicinity of the battery interface box. Your battery interface box is now connected. Thanks for watching.